Good morning. Today I'll be discussing EDOL 700 Assignment 2.2. I'll be talking through some of the self-assessments I completed, including the professional disposition. The first assessment I completed was the 27 things I want to do before I die. I didn't even realize that there were 27 things I wanted to experience before death, but I did notice something interesting. I noticed that half of my list involved academic themes, including achieving my dream job by completing this doctorate degree, moving forward in education. And the other half included more of my personal life, marrying my partner, starting a family, moving somewhere in the country that makes us both happy. So that was really interesting to see. I didn't realize how much my professional academic goals aligned with my personal strides. The next assessment I took was my ideal life. One theme I did take away from this was actually very similar to the 27 things I want to do before I die. I noticed that much of my passions in life involved completing this doctorate degree and moving forward in my place of work, as well as starting a family with my partner and really forging meaningful connections with my twin brother's family and my older brother's family as those come to be. The third assessment I completed was my life in the year 2029. In my case, I'll be 36 years old. And I'm going to read from some of the assessment here. It says, if I am working, my work is best described as service-oriented in the scholastic field. My major work responsibilities are to ensure student success from an executive leadership position. I will see myself talking to my partner, my family, and 2 to 4 close friends. I think we're all starting to see a theme here, which is something that I had never truly considered. It seems that half of my life is geared towards professional strides, academic achievements, and moving forward professionally. And the other half is really honing in on my personal life and sharing my, kingdom with my partner and my soon-to-be family as I move forward with my experiences. The fourth assessment I completed was the what will people say about me? Now, this is something I have thought about before. And I think, just not to sound redundant, but everything I mentioned previously, that I achieve my academic and professional things in life so that I can truly get to the things that really matter to me, including starting a family and being with my partner. Now, for the professional disposition self-assessment, I just wanted to post that on the screen here. Things I feel like I'm already geared towards include professional demeanor, responsibility, commitment, and communication for all students. Those are things that I've actually begun forging throughout my entire life. I do recognize and realize the importance of having different opinions in the same academic setting. And some things I would like to work through, are collaboration and self-reflection. This self-assessment experience has been very interesting for me. I've never really thought about seeing myself outside of my actions. And a little bit about collaborations. I've been born and bred to be competitive, so working in this collaborative field with my instructors and my peers is something very new to me. But I truly hope to get to a point where I can see these as strengths in my professional and personal life. Thank you.